Good morning, my friend. Today's story is about the beach. It is about sand, water, sun, and, of course, disaster. It was Sunday morning. I woke up early. The sun was shining. The sky was blue. I thought, perfect day for the beach. So I packed my bag,
Towel,
swimsuit, sunscreen.
book, and snacks.
I was ready. I called my friend. Hey, let's go to the beach. He said, yes, great idea. We drove to the beach. So many people, kids running, parents relaxing, dogs barking, seagulls screaming. I looked around. It was beautiful. Blue water, golden sand, colorful umbrellas. I smiled. This is paradise. Before swimming, I took my sunscreen. I tried to put it on my face, but the wind was strong. The sunscreen flew everywhere. On my hair, on my friend's sunglasses, even on a stranger's hot dog. The stranger shouted, "Hey, my hot dog." I said, extra protection? SPF 50.
People laughed.
My face was still white like a ghost. I ran into the water.
Cold.
I screamed, "Aw!" But after 1 minute, it was amazing. I tried to look cool. I swam fast. I splashed water. I even shouted, "I am a dolphin." Then suddenly a big wave came.
Boom.
It hit me hard. I disappeared underwater. When I came up, my hair looked crazy. My swimsuit was full of sand. My friend laughed so hard. He said, "You look like a wet chicken." After swimming, I wanted ice cream. I bought a big one, chocolate and vanilla. I licked it happily. But then a seagull came. It screamed loudly. Mine, mine. It attacked my ice cream. It stole the top scoop. I shouted, "Hey, that's my ice cream." The bird laughed, maybe.
Everyone around laughed.
I looked at my cone, only empty wafer left. To forget my pain, I built a sandcastle. I worked hard. Towers,
Walls.
bridges. It looked amazing. A little kid came. He said, "Wow, big castle." I smiled proudly. Then the kid kicked it. Sand everywhere. I was shocked. The kid's mom said, "Sorry, he loves destroying castles." I wanted to cry. At the end of the day, I sat on my towel. Wet hair, empty ice cream cone, broken castle, and sunburned skin. But I laughed because it was a perfect story. Lesson of the day. At the beach, always protect your hot dog. Hold your ice cream tightly. And never trust small children near your sandcastle.
The end.